Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Nescafe pre-workout. First, gather your ingredients, instant coffee and water. Start by adding 1 to 2 teaspoons of Nescafe instant coffee to a glass. Next, pour in about 6 to 8 ounces of water, stirring well until the coffee completely dissolves. If you prefer, a touch of honey or maple syrup can be added for sweetness. Drink this simple mixture approximately 30 minutes before your exercise routine begins. To elevate your Nescafe pre-workout, consider some beneficial additions. A small pinch of cinnamon can offer a pleasant flavor and potential metabolic benefits. For enhanced strength and power, you might mix in 3 to 5 grams of creatine monohydrate. A few drops of fresh lemon juice can provide a refreshing zest and an extra boost. Alternatively, blend in 1 scoop of your preferred protein powder for sustained energy and muscle support during your workout. Optimal timing is key for your Nescafe pre-workout. Aim to drink it 20 to 30 minutes before you begin your physical activity to allow the caffeine to take effect. When starting, always begin with just 1 teaspoon of instant coffee to gauge your body's reaction. It is generally recommended not to exceed 2 teaspoons per serving to avoid overstimulation. Also, remember to avoid consuming it too close to bedtime to ensure a good night's sleep. Always remember some important tips for your pre-workout routine. Staying well hydrated throughout your entire workout session is crucial for performance and health. Pay close attention to how your body responds and feel free to adjust the ingredients or dosage as necessary. Before incorporating any new supplements, including this Nescafe pre-workout, it is always wise to consult with a healthcare professional. Finally, understand that this is a supplement, not a replacement for a balanced diet.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.